Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the ESC system on or off on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The ESC, or Electronic Stability Control, is a computerized technology that improves a vehicle's stability by detecting and reducing skidding. When the ESC detects a loss of control, it automatically applies the brakes to specific wheels to help to regain control of the vehicle. Follow the steps to learn how to turn the ESC on or off in the settings. Tap the car button to the right of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Tap ESC System. You can choose between Activated and ASR Off. ASR stands for Anti-Slip Regulation. Activated will mean that the ESC system is turned on, and ASR Off means the ESC is disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.